before we start my topic, I introduce myself. My name is Gerald Gutwal, Bitibited Black A. So, from the word sexual aspect, a person is sitting comfortably surrounded by soothing lighting and calming music. I'm learning to understand my desires, boundaries, and preferences. It's a journey of discovery and I'm taking my time. Embracing your sexuality is a process. It's okay to explore and figure things out. Healthy relationship. So, healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust and open communication, consent and boundaries, priorities, consent and respect others. Boundaries, it's essential for positive and empowering experiences. Consent is an ongoing process. It's essential to prioritize aspect and communication. So, I take care of my physical and emotional health. My body is mine and prioritize well-being. Self-care is essential for a positive and healthy sexual experience. The person takes deep breath, smile, and nods in information. You are worthy of love, respect, and positive relationship. Embrace your sexuality and prioritize your well-being. Gentle, uplifting melody plays us the same back. Welcome to journey. So, it's the end of sexual self. So, in the world, let's talk about material aspect. Well, a person is sitting comfortably surrounded by simple calming decor. Take deep breath in and let's beginning to explore. In own things but they don't own me, my worth. It's define my positions. Our positions are just one part of who we are. We are more than of stuff. In truthful about that I consider the impact myself and the planet. Mindful consumption is about being international with our choice, considering what truly and values of to our lives. Values and gratitude, appreciate what I have and recognize the value in simplicity. Gratitude fills my heart. Focusing on what we have rather than we lack can bring contentment and peace. Stewardship responsibly. So, the end of my topic. So, good day. Bye, ma'am. Bye, classmates.